You've probably seen this kind of text highlight animation in documentary-style videos. And in this video, I'll show you how to create this effect in CapCut PC. Let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to highlight the title of this New York newspaper. First, you need to add a shape. To do that, go to Stickers and add a shape. Then, change the color to whatever you want. For this example, I'm using yellow. Now, adjust the shape according to the text you want to highlight. Since I want to highlight this topic, I'll resize and position the shape like this. Once you're done adjusting it, select the shape layer, right-click on it, and choose Create Compound Clip. After creating the compound clip, go to the Blend option and set the blend mode to multiply. And that's it, the text highlight is ready. Now, let's animate it. Go to the Mask option and select Split. Move the playhead about 2 to 3 seconds forward and adjust the mask so that it covers the text like this. Then, add a keyframe to the position. Now, move the playhead backward again and drag the mask line back to the starting point of the topic, and your highlight will animate like this. And that's it! It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.